Hi, welcome to this tutorial on how to turn in assignments in multimedia classes. Really important, all of your content is going to go on your portfolio. So you should be able to see your content if you go to the View blog and see the information with this link. Okay. So ultimately everything needs to be put under posts. So you're going to go New Post, title the post, and add a picture. Just about every single time. In order to get the picture there, whatever project you're on, you need to make it into a picture. So the tip there is going to, for example, when you're using Google Draw, you're going to do File, Download As, and you're going to choose JPEG or PNG. These two types will be the types that we're going to use throughout the entire course. So you can pick PNG if you like, that's the most popular. And it's going to ask you where to save it, and you're going to save it. It's then that you come to your Blogger and you actually do a new post. So you're going to type in whatever the project name is. In this case, I'm talking about a collage. So I'm going to type in collage in here. And I'm going to add a picture. So I'm going to choose the file that I've downloaded. And I'm going to add selected. After I added it, I'm going to write my reflection. Every single assignment should have a reflection posted. You click Publish. View the blog again, and you will see it added to your blog. Now, to turn it in to Google Classroom. So this is your portfolio, right? We need to put it in Google Classroom. If you copy this address right here, this is going to be to the entire portfolio. That's about half correct. What I really want you to do is click on the title so that it's the only post available and the address shows that way. So I'm going to copy this address, go to my portfolio, and I'm going to go to my Google Classroom and I'm going to turn it in. Now I don't have the same look as you do, but what you're going to do is open the assignment, and you're going to have the option for add, I think right here, add, and then link, and that's where you're going to post the link, and you're going to click turn in. No matter the assignment, you will be able to click the assignment or click open and always have the option for turning in. You could also resubmit if you submitted the wrong thing. But clicking on these down here, the assignment links that I've given you, is not the correct thing. You click on the assignment itself, and then there will be a turn-in option. If you are using another program like Pixlr, the same idea. You need to save it first. So you go File, Save, to your computer, give it a name, and make sure it is a JPEG or PNG. I'm going to choose PNG. I'm going to click OK. It's going to ask me where to put it, and I'm going to save it. And now in my blog, I already started a post, and I know I can edit that post for species. So I'm going to click Edit, go to Species. I'm going to choose my file, and there's my very, very roughly done critter. And I'm going to add to my portfolio, and I'm going to write important reflection about my work. I'm going to hit Publish. I am not using Google+. And I'm going to do View Blog, and there it is, all my stuff. So this is a good way to check to see what you've done, right? Because in order of projects, now this assignment is nothing. I just made it up. But there we have collage twice and species, very random. And to turn in species, you would click on species. You would take this address, copy it, and go to Google Classroom. Find the project called species. There it is. And there will be a turn in option right here with an add link. So you're going to, not here, this is putting in a comment if you wanted to do a class comment. But right in here, you're going to have something called turn in, and you press add link, paste the link, turn in, then you're done. And you will be able to see what assignment you've had done if you come here to the View All category, and you'll have a list of assignments that you've done or need to be done. Now again, my screen looks different, but you should be able to pull it off. Now let's say you're using GIMP, which is one of our popular programs in this class, GIMP, the Photoshop wannabe. You can notice that the title of this particular one is called magazine startup.xcf. XCF is a project file. That is not a PNG or a JPEG. So once you're done with your project and all your layers are all where you want them to be, you're going to do file export. Export is the process for making PNGs. Exporting an image instead of save in GIMP is a way to make new pictures. So we're going to do file export, and we're going to make sure it's a PNG and put it where it should go. So to summarize, all your content that you're turning in for this class is going to be on your blog. And under Blogger, you look at Post, you see a list of all your assignments that you've done so far and posted. And if it says draft, this is important. If it says draft, that means I can't see it. That means when we do view blog, you will not see the assignment. It just doesn't exist because you left it in draft format. So it's a good idea to clean this up. This is an old assignment that, well, has a picture of random people in it, because that's what I was doing for my demo. What you can do is hit delete and get rid of it because you don't need it anymore. It's something you made a mistake on. You were messing around or something. So you want to clean up your portfolio with any of those that don't really exist. All right, that one does. Okay, so you should have your assignments in a line, and under view blog, you make sure you click on the assignment, copy the link, go to classroom, turn it in. Okay, so this should all be done by first quarter. Make sure you've done so. Thanks.